Hello, my friends. I am Anjali Sharma. Today we are painting this beautiful landscape with very easy technique, and I will be with you to teach, or should I say, to inform you about every tiny experience that I had while painting this. I have fast forwarded the process. It took me 1.5 hours, so we do not have time. Let's begin. I really like how the blue paint spread all over my blank page. Beautiful. I used white acrylic paint and gouache. I actually mixed them. Didn't know whether they work or not, but I guess at some point they did, and at some point they didn't. They got messed up. I just started regretting, especially on the flowers part. But still, I had hope, and I usually try to fix my mistakes somehow. You can see I'm using many things, different colors, a pen, white pen, macron pen. So, what was my mistake? I just didn't use acrylic much, so I forgot I shouldn't add water to it. Because of it, I didn't got the kind of color I wanted. Mixing the same medium gives different kind of colors, and mixing two different kind of mediums gives somewhat dull colors. So don't make the mistake I made and learn from it. I actually like to mix white color in my mixture that I have made because it kind of gives me a muted color, and I really like that nude color. It looks like an aesthetic, so I'm really in love with aesthetic. So, I like the end product. I hope you like it too. It is so obvious to get discouraged, but we should never doubt ourselves. I got the reference image from Unsplash. Drawing from a reference photo is a little bit harder than drawing from a reference painting. In a reference painting, you already know from where the light is coming, where the flowers are, and which color to put. But while painting from a reference photo, I have to decide whether from where the light is coming, which color to mix, and whether to make it a little bit darker or a little bit lighter, and what are the things that I should make and what are the things that I shouldn't. I don't know about you, but I really find it a little bit harder from a reference photo. Some people find it easier, but I think we all are different in some way or the other. But I enjoy doing the both, from reference image, from reference photo, and from reference painting too. I guess we do what we do because we enjoy it. The main thing is to have fun. So let yourself free, use pen, use brushes, and sometimes use your fingers too. I hope I inspired you to paint something today. Remember to have fun. Thank you so much for watching, and let's meet in my next video.